Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir is the highest militarized zone in the world, as over 1 million Indian troops remain deployed across the territory to brutally suppress the Kashmiri people. Brutal militarization has created a humanitarian crisis as the territory is under military siege since India illegally landed its troops in Srinagar on 27 October 1947. Plight has increased on an unprecedented scale when Modi-led fascist Indian government repealed the special status of Kashmir and imposed military siege there. In order to further brutalize innocent people in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the Modi-led Indian government has deployed personnel of a special commando unit of the paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force in the occupied territory. A contingent of CRPF's Cobra, a specialized force in guerrilla and jungle warfare originally raised to suppress the Naxalite movement in India, landed in Srinagar a few months ago and are currently undergoing training at a CRPF training site on the outskirts of the city. In this regard, an officer based in Srinagar said that in the pre-induction training camp there, the elite Cobra commandos who are trained for jungle warfare are receiving training for urban and rural warfare. The world community ignores the horrors committed against the people in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, while the relevant human rights organizations remain silent. In addition, there have been 168,009 arrested, 7,297 deaths in custody, 110,500 homes or buildings destructions, 22,960 widows, 107,903 orphans, and 11,259 rapes or other sexual assaults of women over the past 3 decades in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiris are engaged in a peaceful political movement, and India can't change the disputed status of Kashmir through its huge military presence. Modi regime can't subdue Kashmiris through its military might. How long the world community will remain silent on brutal militarization of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir? Lasting peace and stability in the South Asian region is linked to amicable resolution of Kashmir dispute.